Hello, welcome to Work Experts. Now we are going to talk about what exactly is Salesforce, what are the different products are available in Salesforce, and different license types, and different versions, and different platforms. And then finally, we'll talk about the practice environment. Now, what is Salesforce? As all we know, Salesforce is a cloud-based technology, and Salesforce is giving a ready-made software, so that falls under category of CRM. So CRM means customer relation management. Any company which is into sales and service, if they want to use a software for their business process, they can go with any of the CRM. So in the market, we have n number of CRMs. Out of that, Salesforce CRM become world's number one. Why? Because the first thing is the entire products runs on the cloud, and it has been adopted the latest concepts AI and IoT. Everything got adopted in Salesforce, and moreover, it's giving a customer 360. What exactly customer 360 means? Let's say a customer has started using Salesforce for his sales and service process. Let's say he's into sales and he's into service, and he started using Salesforce software for their his sales and service business. And maybe customer can have his marketing, like he is doing bulk, he want to do bulk emails, bulk SMS, he want to do a lot of marketing. So he can use from Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the product called Marketing Cloud. Let's say he's into online sales, we have a Commerce Cloud. So if he's into health industry, we have a Health Cloud. If he's into like if you want to use any of his for manufacturing industry, we have Manufacturing Cloud and Financial Cloud, Educational Cloud. So a lot of industry specific products are available. So it means that once a customer started using Salesforce for all his businesses, he can use Salesforce. So that's what powered by customer 360 means. What exactly is customer looking? Everything is available within Salesforce, not only sales and service. Now, what are the different products are available as I talk now? So these are the different products like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Financial Cloud, Health Cloud. So many products are available. Now, if a customer want to use Salesforce, how he is going to be used? So nothing but he has to buy the license. What are the different licenses are available in Salesforce? The different licenses are Essential, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited. So these are the different licenses are available in Salesforce. Now, customer, what type of customer can use Essential, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited? If the business is very small and if they are very small customers, I can say the turnover is very less and they are having employee strength is very less, and they want to use any software, they can, if they want to go for a Salesforce, they can go with any of these two license. Enterprise Unlimited, it can be for the business if they are having huge turnover is more. And I can put it in this way: if they don't want more customization, customization in terms of, once they got the ready-made software, the Salesforce, and they are happy with the standard functionalities whatever the Salesforce has providing, if they are happy with that, they can go with any of these initial two, Essential or Professional. But apart from the existing future that Salesforce has given, and according to the business model whatever they are doing, and they need more configuration, more customization, they can go with the Enterprise or Unlimited. Means platform will not have more flexibility in terms of the lot of changes on the existing platform. So here we can go for more customization. Okay, and these licenses are per user, per month. It's not a bulk saying that, yeah, I pay 150, like customer pay $150 and he can use for his entire business. No, the entire software comes, but per user they have to pay license. Okay, per user, how many users are going to use Salesforce, those many licenses they have to buy. Okay, now in Salesforce we have two platforms. One is a Classic, another one is a Lightning. So Classic is a old platform, Lightning is a new platform. So Classic has been started when Salesforce has started, they started with a Classic platform. In 2014 Salesforce started giving the platform called a Lightning. Now in this training we are going to be focused on Lightning platform. Why? Because Salesforce already declared one fine day they are going to be stop support for the Classic, and they are already given a deadline. If any customer want to use a Salesforce, if they have to further, if they want to use Salesforce already, if they're an existing customer or there is a new customer also who are going to buy license and they are going to use for their business, for everyone they are suggesting Lightning. The old one they are asking to migrate, and the fresh accounts who are coming to Salesforce to use for their business process, they are going to be use Salesforce. For them, Salesforce is directly giving Lightning platform. So that's why here the entire concepts whatever available in Salesforce admin, we are going to be focused through a Lightning platform. Now we might have a question, how about the Classic? Is there any difference between the concept wise? No, concept wise everything is same. Only the navigation, how we navigate from here and there, that is the only difference, and the interaction, the GUI, whatever the GUI that we see, that is the only difference. Nothing apart from that. Everything is same. Everything is same. Now, who are the customers are using Salesforce and they are pretty happy with the Salesforce. Now, on Salesforce website itself, Salesforce has given. So these are my happy customers and they are using Salesforce for their business process and they are pretty happy. IDFC, NIMS, C8 and GEP. Like if you click on view all customers, here they have been listed down. Scroll down. See, SpiceJet is one of the customer, L&T is one of the customer, Puma is one of the customer. Like that, Penna Cement, Renault, L&T, IDFC, Unimax, DMI Finance, and finally Zero Motors, Thomas Returns, Hotel Tonight, Canon, Belkin, American Express. So they are using, so what kind of products they are using, that also listed here. So American Express is using Sales Cloud, Financial Cloud and Marketing Cloud. Now, since it is a ready-made software, Salesforce is giving every year three major releases. Those releases will call it as a summer, spring, winter. Spring, winter, summer. So currently we are into winter 21. The next release is going to be a summer. Now, as an admin, do I need to install whatever the changes that Salesforce has given to my client where I am working? No, since it is a ready-made software, so we don't have any access to the OS. So Salesforce itself taken care of updating the whatever the changes that are bringing the new releases to the existing customers. For all the customers, they will update. Now the choice is whether you want to use these changes, or if you don't, you really not required in your business, you can leave it. Okay, so the releases are whatever the releases they have been given, they will give you a document, in a document saying that these are the new features got added to the system. If you like, please continue to use, or else if you don't like, continue with your whatever the way that you are using this application. Okay, so now how do we get a practice, how do we get a practice environment in Salesforce? The practice environment we can get. So Salesforce is saying, if you want to get trained on Salesforce, just go to the website called developer.salesforce.com, sign up, /sign up. So here it says, get your own developer edition, a full featured copy of Lightning platform for free. So now it's asking to fill up the details. So whatever the details that we are going to be provide here, so Salesforce will not going to come back and saying that, so why you are given these details. So they are not going to be verified. They will verify only the email ID. So now I'll give the first name, let's say Sheikh Shubhan, and the email ID. So we can give any email ID. For example, I will give workexperts sfdc@gmail.com. And the role, you can select any role, depends upon the role the platform is going to be changed. No, everyone is a common platform. And the company name, I'll give work expert. And the country, I'm from India, so whichever part you are, you can select. And the postal code, local postal code. And the username, so username should be in the form of email ID. It should be like name@company.com. Let's say I'll give Shubhani workexpert.com, or I'll say Shubhan@workexpert.com. Sign up. So once I click sign up, it's going to be validated all the data, and it will check with the username, whatever the username that I provided. Is there any already an account is available? If it is available, it says already someone is using this account. If not, it is going to be create an account. So nowadays we are having issue with this platform, but it says failed, but it has been created. Okay, so let's go ahead and check an email whether whether the account has been created or not. So we'll be getting an email alert on our email ID saying that thanks for signing up with the Salesforce. Please verify your account. So let me go to my email and verify. Now I just came to my email to verify. Now here, see here we go. It says developer@Salesforce. So it says subject line call welcome to Salesforce. Verify your account. So just scroll down. It says verify your account, and this is your user ID. Just click on verify an account. Now it's asking us to set the password. Let it open. Now it says change your password. Enter a new password for Shubhan@workexpert.com, and make sure it has an 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. Means the password should contain total 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. I'll give the password as so both the password should match, and it's asking a security question. In which city you born, and we have a lot of security questions here. In case if we miss the password, we can go with any of these security question. We can retrieve with this any of these security question. I'll say which city you born, Hyderabad, then change the password. So once I click on change the password, it is taking me to the Salesforce platform. Here we go. So this how the Salesforce platform look like. The hoodie with hot symbol, whatever we see, that is a current release. Just refresh. So hoodie with hot symbol 21 is a current release. Now you'll be getting a lot of pop-ups once you log in. Just close all these pop-ups, nothing harm. Now this is how the platform look like. So let me take you to the navigation, what exactly options are available here. So this is a logo for which company we are implementing Salesforce. That company logo we can see here, or we can use the existing Salesforce logo itself. So some of the customers are passionate about Salesforce, so they don't want to change this logo. They want to keep it as it is. So we can keep this logo as it is. If we want to change, we have an option to change. And there is a dotted line below this logo that is called App Launcher. So once you click App Launcher, it shows the list of applications which are available in by default here. So here they shows marketing, community, lot of things, but only sales and service we can see practically here. Sales. So sales is nothing but this application covers the entire sales process. So this is an app name on which app we have been logged in. Just close all these pop-ups again. So this is an app name on which app that have been logged in. So I have been logging on sales app. Now whatever the home opportunities, lead, tasks, files, account, contact, campaign, that these are the tables in the backend. So tables in Salesforce we'll call it as an object, but they got added here on the navigation bar as a tabs. Now if I click on accounts, I can see some test data. If you click on all accounts, I can see some test data. So how do I get this data? So Salesforce says that if we want to get trained here, so Salesforce is given us some test data for practice purpose. So any of these records I can search from here also, global search. Now, how do I do a how I am going to work as an admin here? So where should I go to perform the admin activities? So there is always a wheel icon on the top right corner, gear icon, right? So just click on that. It says setup. Just click on the setup. The setup always opens in a different tab. Now from here, on the left side, what are the options are available? By using all majority of the option, we are going to be perform the admin activity. Let's say if I want to create an application, I should go to under platforms, expand the apps, app manager. So once I click on the app manager, in the middle of the screen, I'll get the options to perform. Now, let's say if I don't know this navigation, what should I do? So every time it's very hard to remember the navigation, right? So for that purpose, Salesforce has given an option, quick find box. quick find box. You can type whatever you're looking. The keywords we can type. Now I say I can type app related thing it shows. Let's say if I want to create a user, I can type user related shown. Let's say I want to create a role, I can type role, right? So like this, quick find box will help us all the time. No need to remember the navigation. So whatever we want, we can type and it shows, it highlight whatever you're looking. Okay. Now we will talk about this training we are going to do with a project base, not a theoretical training. So with an experience, what are the experience that we have? I am taking a company which is into sales. Okay, so let me draw something. Let me draw the project flow. Let me open draw.io. So this is an application where we can draw some diagrams. So I'm taking a company, the company name called RD, which is into electronic sales. Now this company is selling electronic products by having a number of stores across the global. So I just mentioned three stores, but it has a number of stores. This company has a distribution model through the dealers from company, whatever the products they want to sell through the store. They are using a distribution model called dealers. They are going to be transport all the product from company to the stores. And this company has done a lot of brand promotion activity. They have done a lot of marketing also. So many ads they have given, so many marketing strategies they have been followed, social media and different ways they have done. So now everyone aware of the company called RD, and they knows that okay, we have a stores in our cities. If I go to the store, I can find a good products, electronic products. So some of the companies also will come here and buy the bulk products. Now, since this company is into sales and they are doing pretty good on the sales, they are decided to go with a Salesforce Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. So in this training, on this project, whatever the admin concepts are available, by using all those admin concepts, we are going to be covered the Sales Cloud. So end of this training, you will be familiar with how to work on a project, and with this training, whatever the training that we are going to be doing, so it's all about use case model. So the client has given the requirement, that requirement will convert into technicality, and then by using all the admin concepts, we are going to be whatever the suitable concept for that, by using that we are going to be get the solution. So it's not a theoretical training, it's a practical. So once you are done with this training, you will be a person where you can work on any kind of project. And with this training, you can clear your certification also. So we are going to be in deep so that you can be clear your certification. So this is the introduction that we want to talk now. Thank you.